Good morning traders, it's me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro USD and the precious metal gold. Guys, speaking about the technical side of the market, most of the levels are going to be the same as we discussed yesterday because in between 2 days the market has not moved a lot. It seems like investors are waiting for some solid reason to drive the price action in both of the trading instruments. Speaking about a solid reason, it can be driven by the macroeconomic indicators. Therefore, if we speak about what are the major economic events that we are going to see today, are going to be basically it's going to be a busy day from fundamentals point of view. Basically, UK is going to release their monetary policy decision. Alongside, we have ADP non-farm employment change from the Canadian economy, while we have fully fed manufacturing index, which is going to be released by the United States. And lastly, we also have unemployment claims which are coming out from the US economy. Anyways, most important of these are going to be, by the way, I just skipped the SNB. Swiss National Bank is also expected to release their monetary policy decision. If we speak about the expectations, SNB is not expected to drive any change in their monetary policy. It is going to be the same. However, the monetary policy which is coming out from the UK economy is expected to have a slight change. But this is something technical. Let me tell you how. We are not expecting a change in the unemployment. In their official bank rate. It is expected to be stable at 0.10%. However, economists are expecting a change in their monetary policy committee asset purchase facility voting. I will explain this sometime in the next videos, but just for now, in like monetary policy committee members are likely to vote that we should reduce the number of asset purchase facility, the amount of asset purchase facility that they do in order to support the economy. Like 9 out of 9 members has voted for decreasing the money supply in the market, which is hawkish in nature, which should drive bullish trend in the sterling today. Anyways, with that being said, let's take a look at the Euro USD first of all on the technical side, and then we will move towards the gold, precious metal gold. Okay, so guys, as you see, it's a 4-hourly time frame. Let me move to 1-hourly time frame. Alright, so as you can see, the market has violated the symmetric triangle pattern. If I must say, the market was trading in between the symmetric triangle pattern, dropping from 1.1419 level to 1.1231 level, and then it bounced up to place a high of 1.13. And right now, this is going to be area where market is likely to provide another resistance. But the points that we need to keep an eye on is that the 50 periods exponential moving average is suggesting that there is likely to be a continuation of a selling trend in the market. While right now the market was not able to violate the support level of 1.1220 because this is becoming a double bottom pattern. Like for example, as you see here, this is one bottom and this is second bottom. So in order to have another bearish bias or another bearish run in the Euro USD, the pair needs to violate this particular level in order to reach to the next trading level of 1.1164, which means that if anyone is looking to have a sell position in the Euro USD, they should wait for at least the violation of 1.1220 level, because as soon as the market is above this is going to give hard time to sellers in the market. Right now, if we speak about the immediate resistance, guys, the immediate resistance is somewhere like here, because the upward trend line which was violated here is now providing resistance somewhere around here. And at the same time, the 50 periods exponential moving average is also providing resistance at the same level. While if we speak about the leading indicators like oscillator, the MACD and the RSI, actually both of the indicators are suggesting a bullish trend in the market. So let's suppose if market manages to if the Euro USD manages to break above this particular level, we are going to see next target somewhere around this trend line level, which means that the market is likely to go after 1.1296 level, or we can round it off like 1.1300 level. So it means that we need to keep an eye on two levels. Number one is going to be this trend line level, which is 1.1250, and on the lower side the next level, which is going to be like in focus, will be like 1.1270 level. Okay, let's take a look at the precious metal gold quickly. Alright, so guys, gold, as you can see, has not changed a lot. This is once again 1 hourly time frame. On the 1 hourly time frame, the gold is not able to violate the ascending triangle, ascending trend line. As you can see, the market has tested the ascending trend line here. It again tested the ascending trend line somewhere around here, and right now the market is taking a bullish trend, but it is not able to violate the resistance levels of 1733 or 1731 level. Below this, we can expect a continuation of a selling trend until let's say if we precisely look for the trend line, this is going to be somewhere around 1721 level. While as soon as market tests this level, we are going to see a bounce off in the market, and this bounce off can lead market towards 1730 level. Okay, so this is going to be like this is going to work as a ascending triangle pattern. In order to so if we want to see like the breakout, we need to wait for a breakout in order to see further bullish trends in the market. On the higher side, the breakout of 1731 level is likely to lead the market towards 1743, while on the lower side, the violation of this trend line can like expose precious metal gold towards 1708 level. So guys, that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and have a profitable session. Bye bye everyone.